Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from dynamic programming, which is called find the maximum sum of increasing subsequence. So here you would be given one array. Let's say the array is 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 100, 4 and 5, and you need to find the increasing subsequence which has the maximum sum. So for us here 1, 2, 3 and 100, this one will give us 1, 2, 3 and 100. 1 plus 2, 3, 6 and 106. Okay, so the sum will be 106, which is maximum. You can check any other sequence which will not have the maximum sum than this. Okay, so this is the answer, and you need to find this. How you will find it? Very simple. See, you will take first a DP array. Okay, and let's initialize it with the number itself. So this one will be 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 100, 4 and 5. Okay, now here we will just apply the longest increasing subsequence. Okay, but instead of adding 1 or the, well, we will apply that only. Okay, but here the difference is there we have initialized that DP array with 1, and here we have initialized with number array value. Okay, number I. So now here let's check. Okay, so I is pointing to 101 and j is pointing to 1. So if element j is lesser than element I, then what you need to do, whatever you have value in DP array, okay, add that with that value I. Okay, so the new value for I will be 101, and what is the value of DP array? 1. So this one will become 102. Okay, so means what we are doing, number of I plus DP of I. This is what we are doing. Okay, and whatever is maximum. So this is, if you wanted to see recurrence relationship, this is the recurrence for it. Okay, DP of j plus number of I. Don't get confused here. Now now reset value of I. Okay, so I will point to this 2. Okay, and j will point to 1. So yes, j is lesser than 2. Okay, number of j is lesser than number of 2. So the value of the number of I is 2, and 2 plus 1, 3. So here 3 will come now. Okay, now j plus plus, so j is not lesser than I. So means number of j is not lesser than number of I. So okay, reset the value of I now. So I will point to this. I will point to this 3. Again, start j from 0. Okay, so number of j is lesser than number of I. Okay, 1 is lesser than 3. So what you will do, 3 plus 1. So 4 will come here. Now this 101 not lesser than 3. 2 is lesser than 3. So if 2 is lesser than 3, then the value of number of I is 3. 3 plus, what is DP of this j? 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So here 6 will come. Okay, now again reset the value of I and j both. Okay, so here here I will point to this 100 and j will point again to this 0. So 1 is lesser than 100, condition true. So 100 plus 1. So this one will become 101. Now j plus plus. So now 101 lesser than 100, no. J plus plus. 2 is lesser than 100, condition true. So 100 plus 3. So this one will become 103. Okay, now j plus plus. J will point to j will point to this one. Okay, so now 3 is lesser than 100. Yes, so 100 plus 6. So this one will become 106. Okay, now now again reset the value of I and j. Okay, so I will be pointing to this element 4. Okay, and j will point to this 1. So 1 is lesser than 4, condition true. So this one will become 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, j plus plus. 101 lesser than 4, no, condition false. So now j plus plus. So 2 is lesser than 4, condition true. So 4 plus 3, 7 will come. Okay, j plus plus. So now 3 will come here. Now 3 is lesser than 4, condition true. So 4 plus 6, 10 will come here. Okay, now j plus plus. So 100. So 100 is not lesser than 4. So now again reset the value of I and j. So here your I will point to this 5. Okay, and j will point to this 0. So 1 is lesser than 5, condition true. So 5 plus 1, here 6 will come. Okay, now j plus plus. 101 is not lesser than 5. So now 2 will come here. Okay, so 2 is lesser than 5, condition true. So 3 plus 5, 8 will come here, and then j will come here. So now 3 is lesser than 5, condition true. So 6 plus 5, 11 will come here. Okay, now 100 is not lesser than 5. 4 is lesser than 5. So 10 plus 5, 15 will come here. So your new array will be something like this. See, let me rewrite it. Okay, so this one will be like 1, 102, 3, 6, 106, 10 and 15. And what is the maximum? 106. So this one will be your answer. And what we are doing in a program, see, you would be given one number array, you find its length, you create one DP array of length n. Okay, and initially you assign the value to number I, to DPI, and then your maximum will be pointing to number of 0 initially, and then you use to for loop where I will start from 1. Okay, I is less than n, and j will start from 0 and j is less than I. Now if number of j is less than number of I, so use your recurrence relation. Okay, and then at the end and update the value of maximum, and at the end just return the value of maximum. That's it. Thank you.